Chef Anthony here at the Robinson Experience Center, showing you how to make the best cappuccino with the push of a few buttons, thanks to our Bosch coffee maker. Let's talk about this guy. Let's open it up. Check out the inside here. So it's a fully functioning system, cleans every time, makes a coffee fresh by grinding it every time too. That's the huge piece. So up here is where our beans go. So airtight container holds the beans. It's great stuff right here. It'll grind and go into here. This is where the pods go. This is our milk frother. So check this out. I have it already filled up, and this will hold enough milk for about 3 or 5 different coffees, depending on how big your cappuccino is or small it is. So this can sit in your fridge, a little thermos, nice and cool. We'll unlock it, put our stick in here. Water is here, so that's another great one. Let's close it. Let's talk cappuccino. So we got our clear glass. Let's roll our jog dial up to the cappuccino. Now we'll check it out. It'll be strong, 7 ounce. Temperature on the coffee. This is huge too. You could go very high, normal, or regular, depending on how hot you like your coffee. Some people, like me, I like it smoking hot because I'm not going to touch it for about probably 15 minutes because I'm always running around in the morning. So for me, we're going to go right here, cappuccino, very high. Now here you could check the intensity. So I can go strong, I can go very strong, or I can go mild. That's the grind temperature that how it grinds it. So it'll actually grind it a little bit coarser, a little bit finer, depending on what we select. So we're gonna go strong. And this cup is a 9 ounce cup. So we're gonna adjust our cup setting and hit play. Milk's still fresh. We'll tell them, yes, it is, because I just did it. And now we'll watch the magic. It's grinding it. Perfect. And now it's gonna tamper it into the grind house. And now we're gonna get a first burst of steam to warm the cup up. And now we get frothed milk. So exciting. Perfect. Our milk's frothed. Next, it'll extract some of the espresso to finish off our cappuccino. So it'll actually do a double shot right now. And you'll see it once it layers in, how nice it is. Now that's perfect. That's perfectly extracted espresso. That's the crema. That's everything you miss in pour over coffee. You'll see the layers coming in right now. It's always just amazing to watch. All right, so in a matter of a few minutes, that is a 1 fresh cappuccino. Look at that. Delicious. Start my morning like this. Thank you, Bosch.